Alright, so this is up in Morrow, Ohio. The deck rescue painters of Kong Armor have just come in here and washed all this up. And boy, it was a mess. It had a disintegrating flaking stain all over the place. So this is a Valspar. This was a Valspar stain that was on this deck system. And the problem that they're having is they would have had huge, immense cost to have somebody come in here and do sanding or do chemical peel or something like that to try to remove this stuff. I'll show you. This is kind of what this whole deck system looked like up here. This out here and here, where this has really good adhesion, you see the stain that was on it? It looked like that out there everywhere. But the deck rescue painters of Kong are so adequate now at removing this with just high pressure. No sanding, no chemical peeling, none of that stuff. None of that high dollar stuff, that high dollar, high labor stuff that forces deck owners into embracing lifting up all their boards and replacing them, right? But what we're getting ready to do here is we're getting ready to bring in Kong Armor, the world's toughest deck armor. And its specific job, its designation, what it was designed to do is exactly this right here. Lock down and encapsulate disintegrating flaking stains, peeling deck paints, peeling behr deckover, any of this type of stuff. It's a very thick build, super thick, high build, ultra tough encapsulation coating for decks, where we don't have to sand, again, peel, we don't have to do any of that stuff, right? So what you guys are about to witness here is something we call lockdown encapsulation. We're going to save them from that replacement that they were facing. It's going to be a huge savings here. Now, look, there's rotten boards and there's loose boards. There's a board here that's sagging. All this stuff is taken care of in our deck rescue painting process. So the deck rescue painters of Kong Armor, we're going to come in here. We're going to replace all these bad and rotten boards here. First thing tomorrow morning, we're going to replace these down here. We think these are non-pressure treated. We're going to do an hour or so of set downs where we set down loose nails and screws and just get everything tightened up, maintenanced, and perfect. And then we'll do that encapsulation. So restoration and repair included. I want to show you guys what this looks like when it's done. So stand by for lockdown. Stand by to witness the power of the world's toughest and most versatile deck encapsulation coating, Kong Armor, the lifetime deck armor system. Watch this.